Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you the 1976 Stromberg-Carlson Rotary Phone, which I previously made a video about this. What I don't understand at the time, for a lot of kids of my age, they don't even know how to use a rotary phone very well. 98% of the kids of my age don't even know how to use this stuff. They just went with the flip phones after getting used to their smartphone days. So, for those kids who don't even know what this is all about, this is just a phone, and it is this is all mechanical rather than electronically, like a touch tone or push button phone in the past. So you simply use your finger. This is your finger right here. Your finger. All you have to do is use your finger to turn the number like this. And then you repeat until all your 10 numbers of your phone, 10 digits of your phone number was being assigned to the person who you're calling with. They even know how to use this stuff now. It's so sad to see some of the kids struggling to use this stuff. Just use your finger to turn the dial, and then hit all the way until you hit the stopper. If you hold it right where the stopper was, that's actually called waiting. Which I don't get it at the time. All you had to do, like I said, use your finger to turn the number and wait till you hit the stopper and then release it. You may have to release it after you hit the stopper, which I don't see those kids properly use this stuff don't even know how to use this stuff properly. I don't know why, but all you had to do is use your finger, like I'm showing you one more time. Use your finger, put it right over in the dial, and turn until you hit the stopper and then release it. It's that really simple. If boomers can do it in the past, I know you can do it too. So but yeah, I did have it worked with Google Voice and also I have it connected to Celtic Jack, so that way I can make phone calls from it. So when you turn if you of course you had to pick up the receiver, that is your handset, and then use your finger to turn the number. You must do it in 9 or 10 digits of your phone number to the person you're calling with. So that is the basic general rule of thumb for those kids who unfortunately don't even know how to use this stuff. So before I get started, there's going to be parts where it's all blurred out. Sorry, girls and gals and dudes and whatnot, because privacy and whatnot. So let's make a phone call. First, pick up the receiver, and then dial in the number. And it should pop up. I don't know if you can hear it properly, but okay. And now let's make a phone call. Hello. As you can hear, there's a little bit of delay. But yeah. So that's the 1976 Stromberg-Carlson Rotary Phone. So this dial card used to be original card from used to be I replaced it with a blank dial card because that old number wasn't even good anymore. So but yeah, that is the overview and demo of the 1976 Stromberg-Carlson Rotary Phone. So if boomers can do it in the past, I know we could march forward for the anti-smartphone revolution using this type of device. All I had to do, of course you had to pick up the handset. All you had to do is turn the number. Don't hold it too long, because otherwise that's called waiting. So you must repeat whatever you must repeat in all 10 digits of your phone number, of the phone number that you're calling. So but yeah, I just wanted to point it out to kids of my age who don't even know how to use this stuff. If I could do it, I know you can do it too. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching.